Students, today we'll discuss the seventh chapter for your book, Glimpse of India. Okay, this is the story which takes us back to the time when the Portuguese ruled Goa. Okay, who was the, I think you should know that it was a Portuguese sailor who invented, or who discovered, not invented, who discovered India. Okay, so they were they were the immensely famous for their breads. The Portuguese, they were famous for their baking traditions and for making their breads. And here the narrator often find his elders thinking about those good old days and telling them that the famous breads date back on the time when the Portuguese ruled over the Goa. And they ponder over the past and tell them that though the Portuguese have left Goa, but the bakers of the bread still exist. If not the original ones, their legacy is being continued by their sons. ओके ऐसा होता है अक्सर कि हम कोई काम करते हैं तो हमारे बाद हमारे आगे की जो जनरेशन है उस काम को कंटिन्यू करती है. तो जो बेकिंग का ट्रेडिशन था पोर्चुगीज़ के वक्त में, जिन लोगों ने सीखा था उन्होंने उस ट्रेडिशन को कायम रखा और कंटिन्यू रखा. Portuguese have left the Goa, but the bakers of bread still exist. If not the original ones, but it is continued by their next generation. The bakers are still being referred as padders. Okay, that in that time that they would referred or being called as the padders. Everything about baking is still the same, ranging from those who mold the bread loaves to the furnaces which have survived and the ravages of the time. Everything was same. The sound of their arrival when the thud of their bamboo stick can still be heard just like the olden times. Okay, so the narrator here is recalling that the baker acted as their friend and the companion during their childhood days in Goa. The baker used to visit twice a day. Once while he was on the round to sell his loaves, and the other time while returning back with his empty basket, having sold all the loaves. Loaves means पूरा bread का एक piece, बड़ा सा मोटा सा piece. It is called the loaves. ठीक है. And the other time while returning back with his empty basket, having sold all the loaves, it was the sound of his bamboo stick that woke the children up. The children were so excited to meet him and choose from the bread bangles or the kankan he made especially for them. Okay, these are the name of the two bread which was especially made for the children's, while the bangles were the children and the loaves were the adult that were generally collected by the maid servant of the household. क्या होता था, लोव्स और ब्रेड लेकर जो पैडर्स थे वो घर घर जाया करते थे. नॉक जो उनके बैम्बू स्टिक का जो हिट करने का आवाज़ था, वो ठग आवाज़ यूज करा वर्ड इसमें, उसके थ्रू लोगों को पता चलता था कि वो बेकर्स आ गए हैं. तो जो घर की मेड सर्वेंट होती थी वो ब्रेड उनसे कलेक्ट कर लिया करती थी. बच्चों के लिए स्पेशली एक ब्रेड बना करती थी जिसको वो बेंगल ब्रेड कहते थे.